Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get Google Gemini API key. So to get the API Gemini key, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is search Google AI Dev. So once you're in there, just click on it and then here you will redirect it to this website. So here all you have to do is use Google AI Studio or even get an API key, which we are trying to do. So here, get API key and create an API key. So there you go guys, just search any of these and create API key in new project. So it's gonna generate the new API key for you guys. It's just that simple. So once it's loading, all you have to do is wait since it's gonna take time, and then there you go. All you have to do is copy this API key and you can paste it wherever you want to. So you maybe want to use it with other types of applications that use API keys, and you can do the same like GPT, but this is Gemini. And there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.